Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this session we are going to learn about ways to retrieve Terraform output. So let's look into the agenda. What are the topics we are going to cover in this session? So guys, we will start our discussion with understanding of 3 ways to retrieve Terraform output, and that we will understand through demo. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand different ways to retrieve Terraform out. So guys, we are into the Visual Studio Code, and this is the same example we have used within dynamic block session as well as splat expression session, and we are going to use the same piece of code to understand Terraform output retrieval. So guys, if you remember that when we do the splat expression session, we have provided the splat expression to fetch the information from underscore port argument. So guys, in future I want to document all those ports which exist within my security group inbound rule. So how we will do that? So let's look into that. So the first thing, we will run the Terraform apply and it will return us the port number. So we will note down that port number in one of the notepad or some of the file. So let's run it first. So this is the first way where we are getting the output returned after applying the resource. So I will tell that Terraform apply. So guys, it has created the security group, and over here you will see that we are having all the ports which is being specified within the inbound rule of security group, so that we can copy these output and we can keep it anywhere wherever we want. So this is the first way by which you can retrieve the output. Another way you can retrieve the output from the tf state file. If you go inside the tf state file, then you will find that over here we are having the outputs block and where it has kept the detail about the ports. Now this is the second way. Now let's talk about the third way. So the third way to get the information of the variable which it holds. So how we will get it? We will get it through the command, and we will tell that Terraform output and the name of the variable. In this case we are having ports, that is our variable. And now let's look what it is returning. So guys, you will see it over here. It has returned us all the ports which is being applied within the security group inbound rule, and this is our third way to grab the output, and this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. So now let's proceed further and conclude our session. But prior to that, make sure that you are destroying the resources, whatever the resources which you have created. Destroy. Enter. It will ask for confirmation. Make sure that you are specifying yes over there. So now let's conclude the session. So guys, in this session we have looked into all the 3 ways to retrieve the Terraform output. The first way we have looked into, whenever we are applying the Terraform apply command, then it will return the output within the console. If you want, we can keep those output and put it into some of the text file. Another way we have looked into tf state file, from where also we can grab the information about the output. And third way we have looked into Terraform output command. With the help of that, we can grab the output of the target variable. For this case we have used ports variable to grab the information about the inbound rule within the security group. And all these things we have understand with the demo. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.